Do you happen to have an American Airlines credit card? Well, there is probably a benefit on your card that you may not know about, or maybe you've just forgotten about, and this benefit can save you a ton of miles. Hey everybody, I'm Waller's Wallet, and this channel is all about credit cards, credit card rewards, and showing you how you can use your points and miles to travel for less. So if something that interests you, consider subscribing and turn the bell notification on as well. Also, consider giving the video a thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Now, if you didn't already know, American Airlines offers reduced mileage awards to their cardholders, and the discount varies based on which credit card you have. But this is a lesser talked about benefit, but it can save you thousands of miles on domestic airline tickets. So what is the American Airlines Reduced Mileage Awards? Well, American Airlines has a list that they update monthly with many domestic destinations where you can receive a discount when you fly to that destination. But while American Airlines says it's the destination, it does not only need to be your destination, it could also be your origin as well. And the term they use, I think, is actually quite confusing for people, and I really wish they would just change that because it'd be less confusing if they were. And depending on which American Airline credit card you were to have, you can save 5,000 to 7,500 American Airline miles on domestic round-trip tickets for flights over 500 miles. Or you can save 1,000 to 2,000 miles on a round-trip ticket for flights under 500 miles. And even better, you can use these also on one-way tickets as well, but the discount will be half of that of a round-trip discount. And the American Airlines Reduced Mileage Award is limited to the US and it cannot be used internationally. For example, you can see my home airport of Bangor is listed for November of 2019. So if I had American Airline miles in my account and was looking to fly somewhere domestically, I could use this discount to save me a boatload of miles. And while you can save 1,000 to 2,000 miles for short-haul flights, I still don't think this benefit is good for a short-haul flight because using British Airways Avios or Iberia Avios is going to be better for those flights under 500 miles. Now let's talk about why the Reduced Mileage Awards is a great benefit, because what makes this benefit so awesome is the fact that this can make your trip only 17,500 miles for a round-trip ticket. And while I still think you need to look to use Avios for those short-haul flights because those are going to be a better value for you, for longer flights, this is going to be the better deal. And this means that making a cross-country trip would only cost you 8,750 miles each way in coach plus taxes when you were to book a round-trip ticket. And if you're someone who wants to fly in the premium cabins, you can use this benefit as well in business class when you're booking it on a 3-cabin plane or first class when it's a 2-cabin plane. So you're just not stuck using this benefit only for economy flights. And that being said, percentage-wise, you're still going to get a higher percentage off for your miles in economy class. But if you can happen to fly on their Airbus 321T, you'll be flying in a lay flatbed for only 42,500 miles round trip, which is still a pretty solid deal. Now, in order to get this discount, you do need to be a cardholder for the American Airlines credit card. Authorized users do not receive this benefit. Now, let's talk about how you can book an American Airlines Reduced Mileage Award. And unfortunately, you can't book this online. You still need to call American Airlines to book this, which I do find a bit tedious since you would think options like this could be done online, maybe with a code or even entering in your credit card number. And in order to book these flights, you do need to find saver space for your flights on the American Airlines website. You're not able to book these using the everyday price or even their web special pricing. But really, even if you could, you wouldn't want to use this using the everyday pricing since those prices are just so high. Now, you do want to be sure to write down your flight numbers and times so you can just feed this to the representative. This will make things go a little bit smoother for you as well. And you'll also notice that American Airlines gives the codes for the discount on their website, so you can just give that information to the representative when you call, and this will get you that discount. And usually when you call to book an award flight that is bookable online, you might get hit with a booking fee from a representative. But since this is not bookable online, when you do call to book this to the American Airlines reservation line, they should waive this fee for you. And if by some chance you get a representative that's looking to charge you, I would hang up and call again because that fee should be waived. But if you do happen to book through their travel center, you'll be charged $35. So be sure to use the reservation line. And one stupid fee American Airlines charges is that garbage close-in fee. So if you go to book a ticket within 21 days of departure, you're going to pay an additional $75 per award ticket. And this is waived if you have a certain level of status with American Airlines. Now let's talk about some other considerations with the reduced mileage awards. Now you can only get a maximum of 7,500 miles off per round trip. So if you happen to see both cities on this list, that does not mean you get to stack and get double the discount. While that would be awesome, the most you're going to get is 7,500 miles off, and that is going to depend on which American Airline credit card you have. And if you're someone who happens to hold both the Barclay or Citi American Airlines credit card, you still get just one discount. The discount does not stack with multiple credit cards. Now, just because you're getting a discount, it doesn't mean this is the best option to use. I would still compare prices with other award options to even the cash price, as well as looking at British Airways Avios or Iberia Avios for those short-haul flights on American Airlines, since those are going to be cheaper to begin with, even with the reduced mileage award discount. But this discount is a great way to save up to 30% off on your American Airline flights when you are going to use your miles. So tell me, have you ever used the American Airlines reduced mileage awards? Hey, if you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up, and if you know somebody might benefit from this video, feel free to share it with them. And if you want to help support the channel, a simple way is use links on the website or in the description below. And if you like learning about credit cards, points, miles, cashback, or just flat out traveling for less, consider the subscribe button down below. Until next time, safe travels, take care.